Hello YouTubers, how you guys doing today? Today we have nothing. I just want to talk about if your Kindle Fire HD will not turn on. So basically just what you have to do if your Kindle Fire is not turning on. What you do is put it to charge. Leave it for 1 day charging. Next day, while it's still charging, turn it on and it should go on. If you don't, you're gonna have to contact Amazon and tell them probably because your battery's down, but wait for 1 day full on charged, then turn on the power button while it's still charging. It should turn on. Thank you. Subscribe. No video today, sorry about that, guys.